If you've been using ClickUp just for basic task tracking, you're missing out on a lot. It has so many features that can quietly improve how you manage your CRM. Today, we're diving into 7 tips and tricks that actually make a difference. Whether you're handling leads, projects, or onboarding, these features will make ClickUp feel more like a tool that actually works for you. Now let us begin with automations, because this is usually the first place where ClickUp starts to feel like a real CRM system. The idea is simple. You tell ClickUp that when something happens, it should perform another action automatically. So instead of manually updating tasks or assigning people, the system takes care of it. Suppose you have a task that contains several subtasks. Normally, someone has to check when all subtasks finish and then update the parent task. With automation, you can remove that step. You create a trigger called when all subtasks resolved. Then you choose the action change status. After that, you select the status you want. From that point forward, the task updates automatically whenever the subtasks finish. Also, you can create a rule that activates when a task due date arrives. Then the action can update a custom field with the task summary. That way, you get a quick snapshot of the task progress without opening it. For CRM workflows, this becomes very practical. When a new lead enters your list, ClickUp can automatically assign that lead to the sales team. And when a new client task appears, the system can generate an onboarding checklist instantly. You can even describe the workflow to ClickUp AI, and it prepares the automation steps for you. Over time, these small automations quietly handle routine work while your team focuses on the real decisions. Now, once you start working with clients, documentation becomes important. Proposals, meeting notes, onboarding guides, internal instructions. This is where ClickUp Docs becomes very useful. ClickUp Docs works like a connected workspace rather than a simple document editor. For example, inside any doc, you can type a / command. When you type /, ClickUp opens a quick menu. From there, you can insert tables, banners, checklists, or even create tasks directly from the document. And that leads us to another helpful trick inside ClickUp Docs. When you select any piece of text, a small toolbar appears right above it. From there, you can handle basic formatting like headers, highlights, or adding a hyperlink. But it does not stop there. You can also create a subpage, leave a comment, or even turn that text into a new task right away. Then, if you prefer a more fixed layout, you can pin that toolbar to the top. You just click the 3 dots and it stays there for quick access. Now, on the right side, you get more control over how your document looks. You could adjust font style, size, and paragraph spacing. Also, you can choose whether to show things like cover images, page titles, icons, or even the author and contributors of that page. And this is where it gets more connected. From the same doc, you can link tasks using relationships or backlinks. So instead of jumping between views, you can open and manage your tasks directly from the document. Then there is privacy. You can keep the doc private, or you can share it with a public link. So whether it's internal notes or something you want to send to a client, you stay in full control of who sees it. Now let us move to something that helps you understand what your team actually works on during the day. ClickUp introduced the feature called Pulse, which now lives inside the Analytics section of the Teams Hub. This feature shows live activity across your workspace. You can see who is online and which tasks they currently view or edit. So if you manage a remote CRM team, you get a quick overview of where attention goes. Instead of asking everyone what they work on, you can open the Analytics dashboard and see the activity flow. Another interesting part here is activity trends. ClickUp tracks activity throughout the day. After some time, you can see patterns. Maybe your team handles most client tasks during the morning hours, or maybe certain tasks create slowdowns. Pulse also groups tasks automatically based on activity. That means the system highlights the most worked on tasks across the workspace. When you combine this with time tracking data, you start to see something useful. You can compare what people track as work time with what they actually interact with inside ClickUp. So the feature becomes a quiet visibility tool for managers and team leads. Next, we move into something that helps during planning and brainstorming. ClickUp Mind Maps gives you a visual space where ideas connect before they turn into tasks. There are two main ways to use it. First, you have task mode. In this view, ClickUp shows your existing tasks as a visual structure. You can move them around, adjust their hierarchy, and understand dependencies between them. Then there is blank mode. This mode starts with a central idea. From there, you create branches for related ideas, client projects, or campaign strategies. And once your brainstorming session finishes, you can convert any node into a task with a simple right click. That small action creates a bridge between thinking and execution. Your ideas no longer sit in a separate whiteboard tool. They move directly into your ClickUp project lists. There's also a relayout tool that organizes the map automatically if it gets messy, so even large maps remain readable. For CRM planning, this becomes useful when you map sales funnels, customer journeys, or marketing campaigns. Now let's talk about something that helps reduce tool switching. Inside ClickUp, you can create an Embed View. This allows you to display external tools directly inside your workspace. To do this, you open a space, folder, or list, then you click the Add View button and choose Embed. After that, you simply paste a link or an HTML embed code. So for example, you could embed a Google Sheet that tracks marketing budgets, or you might add a Figma design board for campaign visuals. Some teams even embed dashboards from analytics tools or planning boards from Miro. And the important part here is interaction. You can view and interact with that content directly inside ClickUp, so your CRM team no longer jumps between many browser tabs. The information appears right where the tasks live. Next, we move into a feature that turns ClickUp into a data analysis tool. Formula fields allow you to perform calculations inside your task lists. To set this up, you add a custom field and choose the formula type. That opens a formula editor where you can combine values from other fields. So for example, imagine your CRM list tracks project budget and project spending. With a formula field, you can calculate the remaining budget automatically. You select the budget field, subtract the spent field, and ClickUp calculates the result for every task in the list. You can also create more advanced formulas with functions like if, and, or. That means you can build logic inside your workspace. Another helpful option is formatting. The result can appear as currency, percentage, or plain numbers. So once you start to track metrics like revenue, cost, or performance, these fields provide quick insights without exporting data to spreadsheets. And finally, we arrive at something very useful for CRM communication. The Email ClickApp allows you to send and receive emails directly from a task. First, you enable the feature in Workspace Settings under ClickApps. Then you connect your email provider. That can be Gmail, Outlook, Office 365, or an IMAP account. After that, every task includes an Email tab. From there, you can compose emails to clients directly from the task. The To field can even pull email addresses from custom fields. ClickUp also supports templates and signatures, so if you often send onboarding emails or project updates, you can reuse those templates. Once you send the email, all replies appear as threaded comments inside the task, so the entire conversation stays connected to the work itself. Your team can read past communication without searching through personal inboxes. And when you combine this with automations, ClickUp can send emails automatically based on task status changes. At that point, your CRM workflow starts to feel very connected. So those are 7 ClickUp tips that can quietly improve how your CRM system runs in 2026. And if you try even 2 or 3 of these features inside your workspace, you will likely notice your workflow starts to feel more structured and easier to manage. That was all. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.